It is a fact that all job seekers, irrespective of age, their education qualification, their experience, or their skills, they are scared or they are under tension when they go for the interview. So, whenever you go for an interview and if you feel the same feeling, then you should just think that you are not alone. Now, if you want to remove this fear and if you want to become very confident, which is required for the job interview, then I am going to tell you how to go about it. Are you ready? If you are ready, okay, good. Now, I, Colonel Sanjeet Sirohi, a soft skill trainer and a founder of Heroes Quest program, will tell you the ways and means to conquer this greatest fear during the job interview. And I can assure you, if you watch this video till the last, you will be a different person. And when you go for the interview, your confidence level will be very high. But before I start, I want to introduce two terms to you, because I will be using very frequently during this my talk. First is the interviewer. That means the person who is taking your interview or the person who is from the employer side, जो आपको नौकरी के लिए select करने आया है. And the other is the interviewee, who is the job seeker or a candidate going for an interview. Correct? Okay. Now, one of the most stressful speaking situation is the job interview. And if you really need the job and you are very desperate for the job, then the stress level further increases. But my advice to you all is that don't panic. Even if you are looking desperately for a job, then don't panic. But you may say कि no, everything, ये तो हमारी जिंदगी का पूरा इसी के ऊपर डिपेंड करती है, and whatever we do, everything is riding on this one interview. Maybe it is riding on this interview. I am not denying that. There are situations when you are in a thick situation when you have to have a job, but that does not mean you start panicking, because if you start panicking and the interviewer sees you panicking and fidgeting, then I can tell you that before the interview ends, you have already lost the job. So please don't do that. And this advice of mine is applicable to all. It is applicable to the college going students who are looking a fresh job. It is applicable for a woman who had left the job due to some family issues and now she wants to come back to the money earning world. It is applicable to all men and all women who are looking to change the job or change the companies. Now, Mr. Art Lustberg, he is a communication expert. He says that when you go for an interview, you have to sell three things. First is your competency, second is your likability, and third is your luck. Now, first, if you have competency and you have likability, then luck will automatically follow. And all of us have all these three things. But unfortunate part is that it does not impress the employer. It does not impress the interviewer, because we have to take his perception in view. In his perception, we should be compatible and we should be likable. So that is the most important thing which you must keep in mind. Now, there are three things which you must understand and which you must always keep in mind. An interview is an opportunity for you to sell yourself. That I have already covered. Number two is that there is a mistaken notion that once you go for the interview, you will be asked the questions and you will give the answers. It is not like this. It is not a written exam where you are asked questions and then you have to give the answers. Interview is an opportunity for you to tell interesting stories about yourself. And what are the interesting stories? Interesting stories are the one which will impress the interviewer. Those are the interesting stories. Third thing which you must keep in mind is that all of us have certain key strengths, key skills, which must be projected to the interviewer during that defined period of time, because you don't have whole day to that. You may have 15 minutes, you may have half an hour. So during that period only, you have to bring out everything good about you. Now, interview is a dynamic thing. There is a dynamics involved in it. There is a psychology involved in it, and unfortunately, that psychology is false and destructive. Now I'll tell you why it is false and destructive. Because it discourages honest communication. There is no honest communication between the interviewee and the interviewer. You must understand, because this is, if you understand this, then it will be very easier for you to remove that fear and to gain that confidence which you require during the interview. Now the first thing is, the interviewer, in the eyes of the interview, is an ultimate power. And this feeling grows in direct proportion to the real need of the employment. The interview जो नौकरी ढूंढ रहा है, उसको ये लगता है कि ये जो सामने आदमी बैठा हुआ है, ये मेरी पूरी जिंदगी इसके ऊपर निर्भर है. My future is in his hands. And since he has got a secure job and he is the one who is going to decide whether I will get a job or not get a job, that means he has got an ultimate power and he has got influence on my life. The second thing is that because the interviewee जो नौकरी ढूंढ रहा है, उसके पास नौकरी नहीं है, and he is looking for the job, he thinks he is weak. He is person who is full of flaws. That is the second thing which is dishonest in this communication. And the third thing is, to make things worse, is that sometimes the interviewer manner, his style, his approach impresses the interviewer in such a manner that he further thinks that he is a weak person. So this is the psychology, or this is the dynamics of an interview, and this psychology plays in the mind of an interviewee. Now how do we solve it? We can solve it by a simple method. Firstly, we must realize this thing, that this is all false. This dynamics or this psychology is far away from the reality. It is negative, it is imagined, and it is born out of fear, stress and intimidation. डर की वजह से ये psychology है. So you must always know how to go about it. Now there is, like it is a psychology, there is a counter psychology. Now the counter psychology, you have to do three things to follow this counter psychology. Firstly, your worth, your values are in you. Even if you are unemployed, you are looking for a job, those values and your worth is not going to be wasted. They are with you and nobody can take that. That you always keep in mind. Number two, the person who is taking an interview is not intrinsically superior to you. वो खुद कुदरती ही आपसे पावरफुल नहीं है. These are the transient circumstances where he is the employer and you are the employee. Tomorrow it may so happen that you become the employer and he become the employee, or you became the interviewer and he became the interviewee. So it is a transient. Two things you must always keep in mind is that both of you are human beings and both of you require each other. It is not that he is doing favor to you by giving you a job, neither you are doing favor to him to get employed. There are certain requirements, he is looking for that. If you fulfill those requirements, he will take you. So there is nobody is doing any favor to anyone. That you must always keep in mind. Now, it is that both of you need it. Third thing is that you are looking not just for a job. You are looking for a right job. Now, what is the right job? Right job is that job where your potentialities, where your potential will be productively utilized by the employer, where your education qualification, your experience, skill will be productively employed by the employer. So that should be your criteria for looking for a job. It should not be that you should be just desperate for any job, because if you do that, you will be doing biggest dishonesty to yourself. So don't do that. And just remember what Steve Jobs has said, that please look for a job that is a great job. And great job is that job which is satisfying to you, and the job will be satisfying to you if you are using your full potential in that job. Okay? So now we move on to the next. Now, after you have understood the dynamics, you have understood the psychology of interview, and you have taken the counter psychological measures to remove this fear, your confidence level will go up. Other thing which I want to tell you with a small example. लोग ताश खेलते हैं. There is one person who deals the card. वो सबको कार्ड के पत्ते देते हैं. Now with this analogy I want to tell you कि जो कार्ड के पत्ते दे, जो इंटरव्यूअर है उसके पास कार्ड्स हैं and he is distributing the cards. But once the cards have been distributed, all the aces जितने इक्के हैं वो आपके पास है as a interviewee. Now it is entirely up to you that how you use those aces. And if you use those aces correctly, then you will win the game. So this is the dynamics of an interview. You must understand this, and once you understand this, your confidence level automatically goes up. Now when your confidence level goes up, externally what does it do? Externally you are very friendly, you are open, you are interested, you are straightforward, and you become a good listener. All these points are going to impress the interviewer. His perception will go in favor of yours. And from inside, what will happen is that you will be feeling energized, you will be alert, and at deepest level, you will be detached and objective. So both externally and internally, this confidence which you have gained through this counter psychology will help you in cracking your interview. So this is all what I wanted to tell you. Now before I end, I want to just summarize whatever I have told you in last 10 to 12 minutes. First is, all job seekers are under stress. They are fearful. They are scared of the job interview. So you are not the only one. Number one. Don't show desperation for the job, because if you do that, you will be panicking. And once you panic, you will lose that job. Number three thing is, interview is an opportunity to sell your compatibility and your likability. If you are scared, use counter psychology, which I have told you how to go about it. And once you do that, your confidence level goes up. Now this is what I wanted to tell you. In the next video, I will tell you how to sell your compatibility in the interview. Till then, thank you very much. Jai Hind.